Hello and welcome to Shelter Mode, the premier YouTube channel for shipping container living. In this video, we bring to you a low-cost housing project in Vancouver, Canada, built using 12 40-foot shipping containers. Stay tuned to find out more about these amazing shipping container housing. If you are looking for modern floor plans for container homes, a weekly update on case studies for most influential shipping container homes from around the world, plus detailed articles from our building guide for shipping container homes, feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel for these and more weekly videos. Check out our website sheltermode.com for lots of free resources, modern floor plans, and blueprints. If you like our videos plus our valuable content on shipping container living, feel free to support our channel on Patreon through the link in the description below. Without further ado, let's get started. This was Canada's first recycled shipping container social housing development. From the street, the housing block does not appear to be built from shipping containers. The narrow three-story container development is a modern complex with large roof overhangs and big full-height glass windows. The housing development consists of 12 residential units, which are split evenly into two separate housing pods. The proposed site is sandwiched between existing buildings, and therefore the containers were set back to respect adjacent neighbors. All the 12 residential units in the two blocks fit on a standard 25 by 119 feet lot. One of the blocks is at the front of the 12-foot long plot, and the other is at the back, separated by a well-landscaped courtyard garden. Both pods are 3 containers in height, connected by an external steel staircase. Each pod comprises of 2 studio units per floor on 3 stories, giving a total of 6 units per block. The housing project is constructed using 12 40-foot recycled shipping containers. The containers sit on an insulated concrete foam ICF foundation, which raises the house above the ground level, elevating the containers away from moisture. The containers were modified in a workshop, then craned to site, stacked and placed on the steel connection plates previously installed in the foundation wall. Once placed on the foundation, the final fabrication work was completed to tie down and weld the containers together. Because the container structure was compromised by the modifications, the containers were reinforced with additional steel for structural stability. The container's original cargo doors and rear panels were removed to create large openings for the glazed curtain wall system. This was a game-changing design decision to marry the building onto the streetscape just like any other contemporary building, at the same time providing maximum daylighting and ventilation to the housing units. Just like any other traditional building, partition walls and ceilings were constructed using light gauge steel studs. To enhance and increase the energy performance of the project, closed-cell spray foam insulation was used in the exterior walls and roofs. The council approvals required suite separation soundproofing provision, which was achieved using rock wool sound bath installed in the suite, demising partitions and ceilings. Each unit was finished with 2 layers of gypsum drywall, and the drywall acted as a substrate for paint and also to provide the necessary fire-rated membranes required to meet the fire separation and rated code. A durable laminate flooring finish with soundproofing underlay was provided in all the living areas. A moisture-resistant strip vinyl product was also installed in the bathroom. The buildings were covered with an additional roof above the shipping containers. A generous roof overhang was built all round to shield the buildings from the elements. An SBS modified bitumen 2-ply system, which is ideal for low-slope type roofing applications, was used. A typical unit consists of a rectangle measuring 16 by 20 feet, which was constructed using 2 sheared side-by-side 40-foot shipping containers divided in the middle with a fire-rated suite separation partition. The walls of the 2 adjacent containers between the bed space and the lounge are cut out to create an open-plan living space. Each unit measures approximately 290 square feet of net living space of a micro, compact, self-contained dwelling unit. Each unit is a studio type with a small kitchen, a full bathroom, a living room that doubles up as a bedroom, an eating area, and an in-suite laundry. The housing units have well-furnished modern interiors, just like the nicely finished exteriors. The kitchen accommodates a full-size sink, 4-ring ceramic cooktop, a combination microwave, a convection oven, and an exhaust fan. An in-suite laundry consists of an under-counter combined ventless washer cum dryer. Each unit consists of a warm color palette and the metallic exterior door that pops to add a layer of texture and dimension to the small compact housing unit. The open plan living space transforms each housing unit. It is flooded with both artificial and natural lighting, making the space appear bigger and spacious. The natural lighting in the house is greatly enhanced by the high ceilings provided by the high cube containers that were used in the design, plus the floor-to-ceiling curtain wall glazing on all the end panels of the shipping containers. The bedroom is part of the open-plan living space. It occupies a small nook next to the bathroom. The bathroom is standard and fully equipped with a toilet, a vanity with storage, and a shower. Even though from the street it's hard to tell the buildings are made from shipping containers, the corrugated shipping container walls are clearly visible from the sides and from the courtyard. The containers are painted with vibrant color palette on the outside to give a nod to the container's former marine life. Texture on the design is created by marrying the articulated cotton steel corrugated panels with opaque glazed panels on the front, accented by dashes of rich, clear cedar horizontal siding and cedar soffit with a perimeter ventilation strip system. The entrance doors are standard insulated metal doors installed and weatherproofed with appropriate caulking and custom-designed metal flashings. Old growth fir salvaged from the original heritage house located on the site and clear cedar were used to accent the exterior doorways. Each pod has got 2 well-crafted external steel staircases with perforated steel stairs and balustrading. The staircases run opposite to each other, connecting to each housing unit on the 3 levels of the building blocks. Each studio unit costs about $82,500 to build, which is considerably less than a similar apartment in the neighborhood. This amazing shipping container low-cost housing project is ideal and transferable to similar situations across the world. Which part of this amazing container project appeals to you the most? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comments section below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. Remember to subscribe and see you in the next video.